Hello and welcome to the RocwooD YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a cordless ash cleaner. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Whether it be a fireplace, grill, barbecue, wood burner, fire pit, stove or chimera, with its powerful 800 watt motor, the RWAC20V1 cordless ash cleaner makes light work of any task. It features a massive 15 litre tank, which saves you from having to constantly empty it, meaning you can spend more time cleaning up and less time emptying. This product is cordless, so no need to use your outside plug or have to use an extension cord from inside your house. It comes with one battery and one charger. You can just put on the quick connect battery and vacuum up all the cold ash. It also features clips around the top to store the flexible black hose. Sporting the cordless ash cleaner is a breeze, using the built-in ergonomic top carry handle to move the RocwooD vacuum around your home with ease. It also features a thermal cut-off switch. It's fitted to prevent overheating. Please make sure to clean the filters after every use. Additionally, the washable HEPA filter and cloth filters capture ultrafine allergenic particles. The RocwooD vacuum also comes with a HEPA filter and pre-filter cloth filtration system. These filters trap fine ash particles, preventing them from recirculating around your home and make sure it stays clean. Put the pre-filter over the HEPA filter. In addition, replacement HEPA filters can be found on our store at rockwood.co.uk. The 1 metre flexible black hose with aluminium nozzle allows easy access to hard to reach areas. When the battery is turned on, it features 3 lights on the front to be able to let you know how much charge is left in the battery. When the lights are green, it's ready to go, and when they are red, it shows when the battery needs charging. To put the battery onto the ash cleaner, all you have to do is just slide it on. There's a grey button on top of it to be able to remove it. In addition, it also comes with a charger. These chargers and batteries are universal amongst all of the RocwooD cordless range. Here are the specifications for the cordless ash cleaner. The SKU is RWAC20V1. The max capacity is 15 litres, the max power is 800 watts, the charge time is 3 to 5 hours, and the runtime is 15 minutes. The filter is a HEPA filter along with a pre-filter, the power source is a battery, the frequency is 50 to 60 Hz, the hose length is 1 metre, the material tank is metal, the voltage is 20 volts, and the warranty is a 12-month domestic user warranty. Business or continuous use will validate this warranty. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.